Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majin Booth Food Services. The link is in the description down below.
For our triple chocolate brownies, we need 9-inch or 10-inch baking pan, 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, half a cup cocoa powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 cup melted salted butter, 3 tablespoons Muscovado sugar, 125 grams melted chocolate, 1 cup white sugar, wax paper, rubber spatula, half to 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 pieces large egg, measuring cup and spoon, 2 stick sachet of Nescafe coffee, optional. Mix the eggs, butter, vanilla extract, melted chocolate, white sugar, and Muscovado sugar until well incorporated. Add vanilla extract. As you can see, I am using my rubber spatula because I am avoiding the use of too much utensils to save me more time in dishwashing. Add white sugar, add Muscovado sugar, add the melted butter, add the melted chocolate. I melted my butter and chocolate in the microwave. We have 2 flavor enhancers for this recipe, coffee and Muscovado sugar. This enhances the flavor of chocolate for these brownies. Mix the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and coffee. Add the wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, 1/3 portion at a time. Mix it well until well incorporated. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the brownie batter in a 9-inch or 10-inch baking pan lined with wax paper, depending on how small or big you like your brownies. Sprinkle your chocolate chips on top. Bake your brownies for 15 minutes. If your brownies are still soft in the center, bake it again for 2 to 3 minutes more. Edge of the brownies are more set. You can test it with a fork or a cake tester. Let the brownies cool to room temperature. Slice your brownies according to the size you like. Our finished product, triple chocolate brownies.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Lorna. Please see the description below.